can do it. Good job, buddy. Look, it's over here. Come and get it. Come on, come and get it. Good job, buddy. Look, now it's over here. Come and get it. Good job, buddy. Now it's over here. Uh-oh. You gonna play with your truck? Or you wanna get the ball? Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Here's your truck. Zoom. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no, it dumped the kitty out. Hey, gorgeous. Hi. Let's boogie. Hi. You gonna go up again? Careful. You can do it. Come on. Get up and get the ball. Here, Mommy, I'll put it a little closer. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, sweetie. Come on, baby. Come get the ball. Hudson, how old are you? Say 7.5 months. Today's August 26th. Come on, buddy, get the ball. Look. Careful. Whoa. Hi, buddy. Look. Zoom. Zoom. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, he dropped the kitty. Oh. Hudson, here, want to play with the ball? Here you go. Can you throw the ball to Mommy? Here you go. Throw the ball to Mommy. Oh, wrong way. Throw the ball to Mommy. Throw the ball to Mommy. Good job. Careful. Good job, buddy. Zoom. Get your truck. Get your truck, Hudson. Get your truck. Burp, burp, burp. Oh, he dumped out the kitty. Good job, buddy. You're so smart. Hudson is so smart. You're going to get the kitty? No. Hi, buddy. Hudson, can you look at Mommy?
What else starts with an X?
Xylophone.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, sweetie. I'm getting attacked by the baby. I'm getting attacked by the baby. Hi, beautiful. Look at those eyes. Do you have bright blue eyes, Hudson? What's that shiner on your head from, huh? Did you fall off the bed and go boom?
And the very first vowel is the letter.
Did you fall off the bed and go boom, Hudson? 3 days ago? 2 days ago? Whoa, buddy. Can you talk? You're being awfully quiet today. Very serious with all your little projects. What are you doing down there? Are you eating your mat? Oh, are you going to eat the camera? You want to eat the camera? You can't eat the camera, silly. I love you. Hudson, say bye-bye. 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 Can you wave bye-bye?
Old MacDonald had some vowels. A-E-I-O.